Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated my fireplace mantle and hearth for the 4th of July. So recently I painted my mantle and surround. I will be getting to my woodwork later, but I haven't gotten to that yet. But I wanted to decorate it in a patriotic theme, and I purchased a Cricut Maker recently, and I purchased it particularly so that I could make banners like this. The fabric for these banners came from Hobby Lobby, and I want to show you how I'm using my Cricut here. Now, this came in a bundle, and I actually purchased this off of Home Shopping Network, and it was $3.29, and with this maker, I also got 4 of the mats. I got all of the tools that you see there, and I also got the fabric cutter, the fabric cutting blade, and I also got a couple of different sets of pens. And I thought that was actually a good price for the bundle. I had been looking at the Joy because I thought, well, maybe I would just start with the Joy, and then I realized that everything that comes with the Joy is separate. It's all specific to the Joy, so it's not like you would be transferring that to be able, if you wanted to upgrade to the Maker. So I went ahead and purchased the Maker, and like I said, I didn't think it was too bad of a price. I purchased it with some money I had saved, and also I just wanted to tell you that you can probably find that on Amazon. I have seen some bundles on Amazon also. See how easily that works? It just works really well for crafting type things. I also made those numbers and stars as well as these letters with cardstock, and I used the Maker to make those also. So this is the look I was going for. I wanted the 2 different banners strung, one on my mirror, one on the mantle. I also found a place called Factory Direct Craft, and I use them sometimes when I want to purchase craft items, and that pomegranate branch came from that website, as well as that little star there that is a little ornament. That was only like $1.50, I think. So moving over to the other side of the mantle, I have these pieces over here. I have these flags that came from the Target Dollar Spot. They were $1 for that bundle. I also have this enamel picture that came from Hobby Lobby from the 75% off section. It was like 4 something. That galvanized home I also got from the Target Dollar Spot a while back, and I actually got that clearanced. That was a really, really cheap price on that. I think it was like $1 or something. Below my enameled picture there, and below my little display on that side, I have my floral display in my tall picture that came from Hobby Lobby. This tall picture is so nice, and it's $20 on sale. It's a really good deal. The flag also came from the Target Dollar Spot, only $1. The peony is from the At Home store, and I think that was like $4 or $5 for that. I just tucked some lamb's ear in there. There's some pillows I already had, and that just kind of rounded out that display right there. So the other thing that I also got was the wall hangings were on sale at Hobby Lobby. I did make a trip there because they're open again. I purchased that. That's actually a hanging shelf. I put it on my IKEA tray, my little bird on it. That little blueberry candle wreath also came from Factory Direct Craft. That was only like $2 or $3. So moving on from here, I also wanted to show you my tiered tray. I have a whole video on that I will link below. I did make those signs with my Cricut, and the stars came from Etsy, so I can also link that below too. So I wanted to show you this birch log, and it's actually a stack of 3. This also came from Hobby Lobby. They have these at Christmas time. I'm going to get some more because they're paper mache and they don't scratch your walls. So I'm going to fill that galvanized bucket up with more of those. So this is my fireplace mantle and hearth. I didn't spend a whole lot of money to put this together, with the exception of buying the Maker, but I plan to use that for a lot of other things in the future. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching my decorated mantle. I love decorating videos. I love to watch other people. I love to see what everybody is doing on YouTube. If you do too, and if you enjoy that kind of thing, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I do like to do those kind of videos. I also do shopping videos, and I will be having more of those coming very soon. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful week.